Hey, welcome to Grill and Smoke BBQ. My name is Jeffrey. Today, I'm going to be trying out something new, and I want to say thank you to Lamar for sending this to me. It's going to be this Jank dry rub, which is good for basically anything. You can put it on chicken, beef, whatever you want. And also, you can see he autographed it, made it special. Thank you. So I'm gonna be using this on some chicken wings. And also he sent me his barbecue sauce, the Jank's barbecue sauce, which he also took the time to autograph. And I'm gonna be putting this plus the rub on some chicken thighs, so I can see what it's like without the sauce and what it's like with the sauce. And as always, be keeping temp on those chicken thighs using this Meat Stick 4X. This is the new model that they just released. So that being said, nothing else to do but do it. So let's do it. All right, welcome back. So just to let you know, the chicken, I had it sitting in the refrigerator so it could air dry. That'll help to make sure you don't get that rubbery skin, because nobody really likes to eat that. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna do it with some canola oil as our binder. Then we're gonna come with the Jank. All right, as you can see, I'm finished. I got all this covered. I'm gonna let it sit out and kind of just get that seasoning time to set in for a few minutes. Then I'm gonna put it on the Char-Griller Gravity 980, which I have set at 350 degrees. And I'm gonna put that meat stick into that chicken thigh so I can keep up with the temps. I'm gonna try to get the wings up to about 185, 190. And I'm gonna try to get these thighs to around 180, 185. So, see y'all at the smoker. Yeah, I know we got that good charcoal company's lump charcoal rolling for this cook. Only lump charcoal I deal with these days. Check them out, they do great things for the community. All right, so we have the grill up to 350. I'm going to stick these in here. And I'm gonna check back on them in about 30 minutes. All right, we've been on here for 30 minutes. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and spray this with some spray butter. And I'm gonna let this go for another 20 minutes. All right, we've been on a total of 50 minutes. I'm gonna go in and get a quick temperature check on them. Okay, the wings are almost where I want them to be. The thighs are still a little bit off, so I'm gonna give it about 10 to 15 more minutes. Check it again, then sauce the thighs and be able to get them off. I might get the wings off early because they're probably gonna be finished first. All right, so it's been 10 minutes. I already got the wings off. We're gonna go ahead and sauce these thighs. All right, I'm gonna let these go for about 5 more minutes and I'm gonna pull these off. All right, welcome back. The cook is finished now. Overall, took about 1 hour and 10 minutes to get the wings and the thighs done. And just a quick recap what we did. We took some of the Jank's dry rub, put it on the wings and the thighs, put them on the Gravity 980 at 350 degrees using the good charcoal's lump charcoal. We put the meat stick 4X in the thigh, one of the thighs, so we can keep up with the temperature on that. After about 30 minutes, we went out, sprayed it with spray butter, flipped them, sprayed the other side. About 20 minutes later, I went in and took the wings off because they were finished. Let the thighs stay on there a little longer, sauced them, and gave them 5 minutes after I sauced them. Took them off, let them rest for about 5 minutes. And this is where we're at right now. The best part, getting to taste it. So let's go ahead and get to that part. So as we can see, got the chicken wings here, got those thighs right there, sauced, unsauced. And we're gonna go ahead and see what it's about. Gonna start with this wing. Yep, looks nice, good color on it. So, gonna take a bite. Got a little juice coming down. Oh yeah, I'm digging that flavor. That's some good stuff. That wing got jankified. So let's see what the sauce is about. Yep, looks nice, right? It's dripping with juice. See what it's about. Man. Man, that sauce, don't get me wrong, the rub is extremely good. But that sauce, over the top, baby, over the top. I'm gonna use that sauce on almost everything I can. So thank you, Lamar, for sending that to me. And by the way, while I'm saying thank you for joining me today. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and think about subscribing. Hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, and leave a comment if you like. And also ring that bell so you can get notified when I drop new content. And for those of you that's already subscribed, thank you for coming back and continuing this journey with me. I really appreciate you. And I gotta get back to eating some of this chicken, man. So I'm gonna catch y'all next time. Peace.